Hello, I'm going to teach you guys about the join function. What the join function essentially does is short. It turns a list of strings into a string. Now the join function only works with strings. You cannot do this with integers or floats. Okay, so let's create a list, literally. Okay, and I'm going to give you guys an example with some float numbers and integers followed by a string. So hello. Just to show you guys that this doesn't seem to work with that. So if I were to print a, no, it's not that. So I'm going to join it via a hyphen. Now you could, I think you could leave this empty actually if you wanted to. Yeah, actually you can leave it empty. Where is this thing? Okay, not join, and then a list. You see, it doesn't work. Now if I were to instead change my list to a strictly string list, we shouldn't have a problem here. If you wanted this to work though, what you would have to do is you just have to convert these elements into strings. So here I'm gonna do hello world 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm gonna print. I'm gonna join it with a hyphen. Now you can leave this empty. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it empty so you can see this, and then I'll show you guys another example. Okay. And you see, this is actually a string, but keep in mind that a list is actually still a list. The way I would make it into a string is as so. That was so loud. Okay, I do a list is equal to. I'm going to join it this time with a hyphen. Okay. Join. It's going to be a list. Okay, now I'm going to print a list, and you're going to see it's a string. Alright, so that's how you join a string using join. Join a list using a function called join. Yeah, so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.